October. So here I am with my #9 with a 35cc DLE on it that I bought brand new. The aircraft is new, but the engine was used. I've been flying this all summer, and it's run great per se. This is my first DLE. All of my previous engines are DAs, and all of my DAs have just started right away. This one here runs great to start hard, and so I put it out on RCGroups and talk about it, and make suggestions to do the carburetor work or plug the soak. I've never had an engine that started this hard. It runs great when it's running, so the purpose of this video is to demonstrate, because I get a lot of responses like giving it more throttle and all that stuff in there, which I do anyway. But here we go. So this engine was run about 4 days ago, and I just put it together in cold. I just fueled it up, and so there we go. So I'm going to energize this. Radio's on. Okay, everything's hot. Ignition switch is on. Okay. And what I do is I put this on about quarter throttle to start. And I'm going to pull the soak. The soak is on. Alright, here we go. I should be wearing a glove, but not today. I'll take a while for fuel to get up there. By now, give it a little more fuel. Alright, try that. See if that's better. Oh, yeah, okay, you hear that part? I'll give it one more, just to make sure that it's done. Even one more. You know it's fully done. Choked off. Now, all of my DAs, they start and run. This one here will run, but it won't stay running. There we go. I'm doing about just under half throttle. Fires, fires, keep firing, they keep firing, but it just won't run, no matter what I do. But, now, if I take my electric starter and I just bump it, it'll start right up. There we go. Like I said, it's way down the engine. It's just starting hard. And I like to start with my hand. I don't like that. I just started anytime. So that's where I'm at, okay? Thank you for watching.